Alright, and in this video I'm going to show you how to wire in a 5-pin rocker switch, whether it's for a light bar, an air compressor, or anything. I'm going to be doing it for my dash cam, so let's jump inside, start taking the dash apart. Alright, so once you get the dash taken apart and you find the wires, you're going to have 3 main different wires. You're going to have your ground, which goes to 2 of the pins, these 2 up here. They are right here. Number 8 and number 7 are both grounds for the top and bottom light. Number 2 is your source from the battery, which I'm using from a fuse tap, which you can watch from my video of installing the dash cam. Number 3 is your relay or accessory, which would be plug for the dash cam itself, which is down here. And number 6 is you tie it in with your dash lights, so when you turn on your headlights and all your dash lights come on, so will it, which for me is an orange wire from the radio behind, which is right here. This wire here is from the battery, and then this one's to the plug for the dash cam, and my 2 grounds grounded to the wire. So what you have to do is just remove one of your spots for the switch, and then put in your switch how you like it to sit, and then plug in all your wires. Fits like a glove. So I'm going to start with probably the dash lights. So the switch is on, the plug's on the bottom, because they're probably going to be most difficult. Next will be the wire that'll go to your accessory or relay, whether you're using a light bar or not. Then it'll be your source from your battery, or I have a wire tap, so that's coming from the fuse panel on the passenger side of the car. Now the final wires to plug in are the grounds. They just go in the top 2 tabs. I recommend testing all the wires with the switch out before you install it to make sure that you have all of the wiring done properly and correctly, to make sure that the switch works as it should. And now it's installed. All you have to do is just put the things on the dash back together and test it out. Grab the keys. Flip it on, and the dash cam turns on. And that is how you install a rocker switch into your dash. Here's a shot of it at night with its amber lights. Well, there you have it. That's how you install a 5-pin rocker switch in your dash. The hardest part was fitting a flathead screwdriver inside the dash to lift the tab to take out the empty plastic cover from the one that just fills in the blanks. If you found the video helpful, hit that like down below. Follow me for more of modifications that I make that you may find useful in your projects. I'll see you in the next one.